So good day everyone. I am going to tackle about the occupational health and safety procedures in assembling in disassembling on computer systems or a system unit. First, the area should have proper ventilation. Proper interior ventilation is extremely important to your employees' health and comfort. It helps your office rid itself of moisture, smoke, dust, and indoor pollutants. Structural ventilation controls heat levels in the attic, moderates dampness in the crawl space and basement, and keeps moisture out of the uninsulated walls. So, mas okay na may proper ventilation dun sa working area o working space ninyo or ng ah, mga estudyante. Bakit? Kasi yun yung nagbibigay ng healthy and comfort environment nila para makagawa ng maayos o ma-perform nila ng maayos yung assembling and disassembling. Second, the area, especially the working station, has proper illustration. It is worth setting up your workstation properly so you can be as comfortable as possible and to help you avoid any potential health problems. Importante na dapat comfortable yung mga estudyante or kayo kapag magpe-perform ka ng assembling and disassembling. Bakit? Kasi parang mas magawa ninyo yung o mas ma-perform ninyo na maayos yung assembling and disassembling. Kasi pag hindi ka comfortable, pwede kang magkamali sa pine-perform mo. Next. The area should have fire exit. So, sa lahat naman ng lugar, building naman o bahay, school, or kahit nasa working space niyo, dapat merong fire exit for emergency. And then, the area should have trash can. A trash can is a container for storing temporary dumps and waste materials that are not being used in repairing computer systems. Pwede nyo rin dito ilagay sa trash can yung mga wires na gagamitin nyo na hindi, yung mga wires na gamit na pwede nang itapon. Kailangan nakalagay lang siya sa trash can para hindi siya makapag-create ng isang problema sa working station. Next is remove all rings, watches, bracelets, and similar accessories. So, bawal magsuot ng kahit anong accessory kapag ikaw ay mag-a-assembling and disassembling. Kahit sa mga babae, dapat naka-ponytail yung mga hair. Bakit? Para hindi matakpan ng hair ninyo yung mukha ninyo para makita ninyo yung mga different parts ng system unit. Sa mga accessories naman, para hindi siya makadamage ng mga part ng system unit. Kaya nare-require na tanggalin lahat. Hikaw, pintas, sing, relos na suot ninyo before kayo mag-perform ng assembling and disassembling. Next, and the last, use anti-static devices and rubber footwear to disperse static electricity. It is used to safely ground a person working on very sensitive electronic equipment to prevent the build-up or static electricity on their body, which can result in electrostatic discharge without wearing anti-static devices or proper grounding of the workers can damage some computer hardware components. So, before mag-perform, para mas ma-loosen up or ma-loosen up yung mga static natin sa katawan, dapat tayong magsuot ng mga anti-static devices. Katulad ng nasa picture na anti-static disc strap, sinusuot siya dito sa wrist, tapos kinakabit siya sa unpainted part ng system unit. So, bakit yung ginagawa? Para hindi ka makadamage ng any computer parts or components ng isang system unit. Kasi kapag mataas ang mo sa katawan, possible kang makadamage ng mga components or ng mga parts ng isang computer or ng system unit kapag nagpe-perform ka ng assembling and disassembling. And ayun lang po, maraming salamat.